Hello. In this video, we'll show you how to change the display modes. To change the display modes, click the Display Modes button in the upper right corner of the conference room. In the menu, select one of the display modes. Fill the whole area in this mode. The video is extended to the full width of the screen. Fit on the larger side in this mode. The video is completely bigger side with its proportions saved. Active speaker is the mode. The active participant is displayed on the home screen. Up to 5 thumbnails from the videos of the most active participants are displayed on the right. The active participant is the participant who is currently speaking. Tile grid: up to 20 thumbnails of participants' videos are displayed. The list is dynamically changed, and the most active participants are displayed. Full screen: the conference room is full screen. For hosting a webinar, we would recommend you choose an active speaker mode. For video conference, meeting, or online lesson, tile grid mode. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.